The Milwaukee 224 Heated Jacket has everything you could ask for from all the other heated jackets combined, including the pass-through pocket so you can have the battery in the back or in the front. You also have multiple heated zones here. The CP3 amp hour battery that comes with this kit will actually last upwards of 12 hours on low. It's an amazing jacket. You can put it in the washer. You can also put it in the dryer. You have carbon fiber heating on the inside, so this stuff isn't going to get messed up and it's going to last a long time. This is a jacket that I don't worry about getting muddy. I don't worry about getting dirty, bloody, anything. I can throw it in the wash. It's good. Unlike some other hoodies and stuff that I've gone through, this jacket gets used and abused like any other one. Don't care, it'll clean up. It can be used in the rain. As long as I use a scent spray, so that scent spray helps keep this beading water off, but 99% of the time it beads water off. It's great for wind. One of the biggest downsides to it is the zippers. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear this, but they're not smooth, and I keep waxing them and putting things on them to try to help that out. All of them. All the zippers have a noise to them. So unlike some of my other high-end hunting jackets that when we actually get into a winter period of time or a colder period, when I'm wearing them, it's a difference. This is great for bird hunting. It's great for deer hunting if you're not getting in your pockets and not doing a lot of movement. Either way, that's the few little things that I kind of dislike about it. I'm going to bring you in and show you the inside of this jacket because the inside is really where a lot of good happens. As with any heated wear, we want to wear this as close to our body as possible, so a minimal alpha layer is okay. You start getting into a bravo layer, and then you start to lose the ability to feel this heat, and this jacket heats up fast, and we will show you that. The inside of the sleeve is this silky lined material. So with your alpha layer on, no matter what it is, it's going to pass through this very easy and come in and out without a struggle. That is amazing to me. You have a heater that is on the inside. This heater has two zones. You're gonna have a shoulder zone and then your chest and back. You push and hold to turn that side on, and then you just push again, and it has like a bar system, like what you would have on a battery pack, to show you the heating level. And it's very easy to do this in the dark by feel, because you can feel this guy here has an outline around it, where the other one is a solid bar. So you can reach in with your thumb and tell exactly which one you're turning on or turning off, and they're very precise and solid, unlike many of the other models that we've kind of gone over and used. Not that it distracts me from using the other models, this is just superior. When we look on the inside, there's really no pockets, which is not a problem other than this guy, which I don't use a whole bunch. But we have a silk style pocket on the inside. I feel like this is on the wrong side of my jacket. Being right-handed, I want to reach for a pocket over here, not on the left-hand side, but that's where that pocket ended. There is nothing, no zipper down here to get in. This is solid. You can't get access to that area to put a pad or anything else in the back. Looking at the front, you have your pockets on the side with zippers. The pockets are quite large. Anything and everything can fit in there. Realtree camo on the outside. Again, that's just one of those things. The camo is what the camo is. Some people really get into it, but it works great in multiple situations, whether you have green on the trees or not. There's a great combination of what's in there. This is what comes with this, which is awesome. CP3 amp hour battery, lasts a very, very long time. If you're in the DeWalt line and you had this, you can also connect this up and use a 20-volt battery with this jacket. It has no care whatever as to what's there. It will turn on both, just act the normal, and it will continue to put out the same amount of heat. This isn't actually as big a battery when you put it in this front pocket. Don't ask me why, but there are times when I don't have an M12 charged. I will throw in that other DeWalt and just go with it, and it doesn't bother me. Now this sits in this front pocket really nice, no issues. You could also, I have that cable there, move this to the back pocket. This doesn't work well for me when you're sitting in a blind, so I hardly ever use that. When we turn on the outside button, we basically turn on pocket heaters, which is absolutely amazing because you can put your hands in the pockets and they're quite warm. Now this isn't showing up as overly hot on the thermal imaging camera because there's a lot of material that is in between the jacket and the pocket where those heating elements actually are. So it's just kind of looks mediocre, but it's amazing. Now we have the second system on, which is going to be chest, shoulders, and back. And this system gets hot and you feel it very, very quickly. You could wear this on a 30-degree day without issue. Just make sure that you have enough battery power to last through that time. This on high will roast you out of this jacket quite quickly. So I picked up this jacket from Acme Tools for $229 with the CP 3.0 amp hour battery and the charger. Not a bad deal for heated wear because sometimes this heated wear can get a little out of hand. I'd also suggest looking for sales. In this quiet shell material, very durable. Washable, no issue, you know, get it dirty, use it as a work jacket, take it out hunting, everything works good. The quiet shell is pretty decent. It's not the best. The zippers to me are the loud part about it, but you can move around. It's not overly noisy. It's definitely nothing like their normal Milwaukee workwear jackets. It is definitely much quieter than that. It's very comfortable. Again, fitment. I'm 6'3", 6'4", the long wingspan, and I can put my arms out. When I lift my arms up, the jacket raises slightly. There's not as much stretch in this as there are the hoodies, so it's kind of expected. One arm can go up, no issue. You get two up and it starts to move a little bit. Other than that, this thing fits well, fits to size, and what I like about it is that I do have drawstrings. So if I want to bring it in a little bit on the bottom, get a little tighter, if I want to tighten up my wrists a little more, no issue. All that stuff is right there and very easy to make it fit me perfectly. Why I would buy this jacket over many of the other heated wear jackets out there, this seems to go through the wash a lot better. It seems to hold up a lot longer if you're going to use it in difficult positions. I don't know why Milwaukee just seems to have that down. They put a lot of research in it for work, so most of the time the jackets work out really well and last for a long time because the technology in here, the heat is what you want to work, not just the jacket from not having holes or anything. This doesn't seem to get caught on other branches or anything. I can rub it up against bark. It doesn't seem to want to stick. I really like that. Some of my quiet shell stuff tends to get fuzzy and likes to turn into like a Velcro type situation. This does not. Lots of great things about this jacket that you can wear it for a combination of work and hunting. It's very, very, very hot. And just having this on now in here, very hot. Now when you want to twist this out, you get a big pad that's here. This kind of whole control panel is wide. I never do that. I get used to just putting my hand in. It's kind of like Braille. I know I'm turning off the pockets here. Count to 3, go to the other one if I want to. That one's more of a bar. I know that's the chest and back area. And boom, it's off. No issue. I don't have to look for it. I like that I can feel what I'm turning on and off, and then I can go through the levels with a very solid push and know exactly what's happening. I don't have to see it. Very nice jacket. If you're in the market looking for something like this, trying to get, you know, that combination of hunting wear, work wear, this is a great combination. It has features and benefits that work both ways. If you're looking for only a hunting jacket and you need heated wear and you're used to high-end hunting, this isn't it, but it's probably the closest you're gonna get. So one of those things where hunting has a rabbit hole you could go down for very expensive, very high-end stuff. This is middle of the line as far as that goes, but still a very good quality work jacket that could be used hunting. Both ways. Love to hear your comments below. Leave them there. Give us a like in this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll leave a link in the description over to this. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.